Alright, I just picked up this trailer light kit, got it from Menards, and I have a trailer without any sort of lights on it. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this kit installed. You gonna help me?
Yes.
Let's do it. So like I said, I got this trailer light kit and this trailer without any lights. I want to be able to pull this behind my truck legally with lights because we take this thing trick-or-treating. I'll show a quick picture of our setup on the screen. So trick-or-treating is coming up soon, and we gotta get some lights on this thing. You ready to help me?
Yeah.
All right, I'll probably just unbox it tonight, and then we can put it on in the morning because it's getting kind of dark. All right, so this is what you get in the box. Instructions, some connectors, the two turn signals, and then some side markers, and then one group of wires, and then the main group of wires. So it looks pretty easy to install. It labels what side you're supposed to use. So this would be the curb side, and then the wires colors are indicated. Same with this one. This would be the roadside light, and then, you know, the wires are color coordinated. So basically all you have to do is follow the instructions with the correct colors, with the correct taillights, and then I imagine this would just plug right in. And then here's the white wire, which is the ground. So let's go ahead and get this set up and see where I want it, and get this all connected. All right, so here we are the next day. I kind of just mocked it all up. So I got all the lights connected. It's pretty easy, just follow the color diagram. I got it run over here and plugged in. So the main thing is the ground. So you gotta have the ground connected to some bare metal. And then you're like, why isn't that working? Oh, because you got the ground out the backs of these to some bare metal. So when I hook it up to bare metal, there you go, that'll work. So you're gonna have to attach it to metal, to whatever you're grounding that white one to. So that is the main thing you gotta do. So this one should work as well. When you ground it, I don't have bare metal over on that side, but there you go. So they all work. Just remember to ground them, otherwise they're not gonna work. So let's go ahead and attach all this up, get it looking nice, and then see how we did. All right, check it out. Both taillights are flashing. Looks like they work out pretty well. So what I ended up doing, I just welded a piece of angle iron on there and then bolted them to the frame. I did that on both sides. And then I connected them with these connectors. Those are my connectors. Figured that would work better. And then you just run the wire down through the frame. Got it hooked up to the back, and then I just grounded that one to right there. So yeah, everything seems to work well. I like it. It was really easy to do. Took a few hours, but yeah, turned out well. I like it. I'll just go ahead and button up some of these wires right there, and we'll call her good. So yeah, I can legally drive my truck, or this trailer, around with my truck. I put the four-wheeler right in the back, and then I can just pull the trick-or-treat trailer with my four-wheeler. So it's almost trick-or-treat season, so we'll be safe on the road there. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.